How to remove and inspect your cabin air filters on a BMW 5 Series on an E60 body style. We're going to do it on the passenger side because it's actually you have the most things going on, including the hood switch for the alarm and the AUC sensor, which is a sniff sensor that when it detects exhaust gases, it's going to, if you have it on auto recirc, shut the fresh air flap for you. So, the first thing that you're going to want to do is go ahead and just press the tab and disconnect the plugs on these, which they just pop off really easily. And move the harness out of the way. You do have a Torx right here, and then you have this clip right here that needs to be pushed over, and then a 13mm plastic screw that you just turn about 45 degrees. You want to do that back spring, and just using a pry tool, just have to pry it over, use a screwdriver, pop that back just like that, and then you do have that 13mm, which is right there. And you just do a turn to release. See that lifted right up. That comes right out like that. These just located in the housing. Now this filter just rests inside the box. It's actually nice and clean. And a lot of times you can get a lot of leaves in here and debris, which can give you some funny smells inside the vehicle. So it's just a good idea to go ahead and check that now and then. You just slide this back into here and then push that down, and then just put this back into place. Twist your 13 so it locks. Put the clip back on in the back. And then make sure to plug in your harness again. You can't really mix these up because of length. That's the hood switch and the sniff sensor back here. So it's very easy to check the microfilter on your BMW 5 Series. It might look a little intimidating with all the covers on it, but it's definitely something that you can do at home.